Good morning. We are at 29 North Tacoma. This is Charles with 360 Real Estate Investing in partnership with Gear Realty. So the property here last was used as a fourplex. It's zoned as a duplex. So we'll have to take a look to see if it's permittable to continue it as a fourplex or it has to be converted back to a duplex because of the zoning. So that's something we want to take a look at for sure. We're starting off at the back of the property just because from an access issue, it's a little bit easier. This side of the property over here is a little bit more difficult to access exterior wise. So I've taken some pictures. We'll definitely post those so you guys can see them. So you can see the property is boarded up. So this is going to be a very extensive job to be done. I've walked the inside of the property with a flashlight. Video is just really not going to be appropriate because of all the windows are boarded up and there's just not near enough light. So we'll do an exterior tour here, and then you guys want, we can see about doing a little bit more interior tour. But the interior, you know, as would be expected, is in need of a good amount of work here. On the exterior here, we've got obviously some breaches in the overhangs, things that we want to need to be addressed to make sure that there's not any ongoing issues, damage, etc. This is the entrance here to go upstairs for one of the two units, or one of the 4 units, 2 on this side. This door right here goes down to the basement. All the windows are boarded up for security purposes. Take a look backwards this way, you can see the stairwell a little bit better. This is one of those that's, like we said, it's going to take a lot of work to get this one done. Probably starting at $100,000 worth of work for sure, just because of the sheer size of the property. I mean, it's a large property, total square footage. So 2 units, 1 on each side, that have been split into 2 additional units, making it functioning last as a fourplex. Income around here is pretty steady. There's lots of work being done in the area. Lots of activity. Try to take a look from this side as well. As you can see, everything's boarded up. Just the access over here is harder to do. That's why I started at the back. Some breaches there on the side that probably need to be addressed. Certainly want to take a look at the roof. But if you're interested in the property, certainly let us know. We can get a lot more detailed with the numbers. We'll have a contractor come out here, spend some time, get some real numbers on this if you're really interested in it. Be sure to subscribe to the page and have a great day. Thanks a lot.